that is it. And that tells you the mindset of the president. That's how he sees it. That's why I said, look, the president had checked out long ago. The president has checked out long ago. He's just now just working and enjoying the presidency. Very shameful. You see why I said this since he's saying very shameful. He's a lawyer. He doesn't deal with that. Isn't that the same Nana Akufo-Addo who said he will work with the ANAS principle? And today there's even evidence, tape. And he says, go give the tape, talk to the minister. He should explain himself. So you see how he's done a U-turn, meaning that he never had a conviction that he wants.
Let me tell you this tape. Yeah. We are a media house. We are not the police. We are not the national security or anything. Mm-hmm. We got this tape almost over a month ago.
Okay.
And we became aware that it is in right custody.
Good.
Do you get it? So the president is telling us today that something that has been in their custody for like a month or more, the guy is bereaved. When did he get bereaved?
I'm surprised. Don't be. That's the same way the president slept on the job. This is our case, NDA matter. When Dr. Anamzoya reported that people are about to steal 20, initially it started like 5 million, but later it turned out that they're about to steal 21 million Ghana cedis in the gift me system. The president was asleep. No, that's how the president behaves.
Eti aba bunyina akwa ba biem ne wo hwe ye memne news fa ye koso ewo Joy News and Joy 99.7 FM. Ya na lawyer Martin Pebu chirichem de enti amo ka se mampani ku so oswan ewo galamse so sabi eye asresem na enkose hwe emfa mo my Ghana eno bi ene kote no nkomo no ewo professor fa sekese enkoma agudem akofo professor Ike Wala so de agudem ensem ebre no chi Mame charade ma so de ewura efisem ye di efiemu enkomo na koye ejodenti Sister Sunday de ahosepa dwumadie ebe free sabre kopin se no nkono ebe bomedin de akwasi ensia mpensenpensembre ewo badwam dwumadie eso eni happy birthday enko Emma Philip Osei Bonsu, host of Ekosi Say on Asempa 94.7 FM and programs manager of Asempa FM. Eda Nyame onhira na onyo kese kwapem se obeye kese pa. So na happy birthday so koma Obrempong Hima Dechi the 14th Paramount Chief of Upper Dixcov. Na now so nyame onhira na onyo kese happy birthday. Also once again to Kofi Mensan, Director of Audit CBG. Also happy birthday. And so enko manfada sekese koma Hyper Plus mixture. Du papa na badwa so bia de ku ede tia entidi yade enso no etimisre wada wo pedro so ahyase etoto ye beboa ama immune system ahoden eja atimi bom na yade bia atweniti a akon ede tia eye Hyper Plus mixer na mekan for de mama ba bia ton do bia no okwa osa ebeka bi atosa so na Franco Trading Enterprise ye kan se phone papa efi eno mo akabata bako ewo enkran na fe kumase komo nchen se eye deep freezer say ye TV, say ye fridge, say ye fan, ye air condition, and Ampofo and our party be the demu ye biano. Franco Trading Enterprise at Almo to be yan and a boy, ever from pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste and so in the ye poese, a ye bidie and a day aye, a hone will be dim tinemaminum, a dibidia to body to su HSC and canetity brimuno. And noa and a Kel Chaco toothpaste, Eddie be aye toothpaste and ne, I'm for Eddie Paul, was a tutu symbols or say fita, one so atoso. Baby be a upper supermarket will be a casa ope Kel Chaco toothpaste. It's as a no and papa. City Black Tonic and soon you menu major no fili ejina now see a manipejo calacra atosua a City Black Tonic. Pebineto, a becona so ya say emede Mpensenpensenmu bre ebro on Badwam or Adom TV. Jumedi so major 4 atnase. Na manfa we entumfa yakọ kese enkoma yakasaminua Omahine Kwabena Asante, host of Badwam on Adom TV. Now chie me ena ne papa edane etoye. Eti mejina Badwam ko ne nyina ene mo na Kwabena yamao yako. Esi dwie ne enso yenwie bi. Pene se ne ade ato ne nyo no ana oye oman na busuafo nyina yema obibia yakọ ema mo nyina hyeden Daniel Nikwa third titles Glover, former member of Parliament Tema East, former deputy minister of transport ewa ni bako de
commander to your thing
bako
please let show or stress over the back and grana commander is saying
bako la so
you are do
Tema East bako
you they are him the way is the bako
okay
you show Ghana and yet amazing one
Ghana nyina
the way is the low
okay
you show Ghana nyina
say you man call beyond Tema East but still much benefit
as I mean from our she I know and family
sure
until was a many ditch
but not the larger picture
okay
Lawyer Chumberima, I am a member of the NDC National Communications team. Lawyer Bokodi.
Was it?
So now we are home. I can't a year dear.
Then said, "You're doing this. I never can."
Okay.
And I pray no Yakono Cassian Coma or my. And I pray by when he not me beside because I bring my started with one year more come. And so I cry Mantia, Amanantium, I'm a Pimo. Your own ambition in Ayako. Said all kind and Penin said, I don't think you know one in the say, we say, Mo. Sure. Mine, you know, why? The way Yama Accra, I could double call, you know, I support to be a good idea. I was it. Me one another key issue be.
Okay.
Ghana Police Service. I war Ashanti region, especially Bosumtwen district.
Okay.
Oma woni na ho yie pa. Akwasi nkrobi te say Adagya.
Okay.
I war Bosumtwen. Esreso. Ana titru fa yi ase. Se nkro na atrepa na ni new sites no.
Yeah.
Kwasi say dey asie ne say na say dey ekoso adekyen adesan ne say. Emnantie bi ti motorbike so. Na omo tamia ne fia e hwa ye din no wonkomra no ne ya funfram ya budanani awia bibia na maame ba ko Adagya maame no aberewa agya ne madum na toka abesi fie mo na abewa bia so ye ne ko so se bia na ye ne se bia ne ko obagye de sem na ntie atimi akobu maame fie ani awia ne ma nyina de agu ka animu atimi atuka ne de kokogya maame na tuwuram
Oh.
And Adagya old, I'm sorry, Fiasi former police station, Nachi. Obi no can police station no. Nachi. And now that old new site that one in is dangerous to even live there. Say area where now be kocha uba driver be tea and that insecurity is still going on. It is still going on. You are calling the on the IGP. Said yeah, and now one mobile patrols near Koso in Accra. Yes, Rano. Ashanti region. It looks like say some areas are being neglected, and as a neglected, so be a news adanko hoye. And we are urging them so more when because areas in the I come here say will be a sit down hobia what send news sites in grandma body news at for years, especially for years news sites.
Okay.
And they quite the jack any other jack important one there. Will be a Tobian at one and the emotion. Because imagine say you about to be theater o man time we are take. If you mbati so obi to fear you about be and obi pia bonten about be and chrono is almost every week be what be. And the question ya tam phone keke and ya diko ye bu poni a na ya ye ofun from to mra no na everything has been taken away. Police vote for years and they been person medwell on them today because one day some say me call me so na anhwe anya baba. Because their competence is questionable.
IGP, Ashanti Regional Police Commander, Ono Mranti Hunya Hana, Yanshima Bambo Emu Enye.
Commander, IGP Johnny Train, may the people so. Mammy Faka crying so. We will free revenue also and sign also any birthday. Maybe na betir one do my fam.
Yeah.
Say na woda.
Sure.
And the unknown Philip Osebonso, Mammy Falconia Suna, may wish you a happy birthday. na kobra so ye man yako we do yanga sisi na ye no ye din but dia to na ne die na kire se ye nyina akan enti ye man yako na ye bompai se mene be dua o ma ya so tuntema menim se ye ko Kenya se o ana ye ko hwidemu ana kire nzu a o enti afo no o de na
after 1 week you know
and you be home baby but on the issue about police true when you say nansi what the instructions be aba can you know say BBC or one particular police station at district the PRO communicate to the media
yes. I mean for that region
say so much just idea no say headquarters in my permission you can talk I see that of trying to gag police for number particular district and that region from talking. Okay. And the headquarters in Mount Permissioner, ADSC media, per feedback, for public to know what is happening there. The police cannot talk in that district.
Yeah.
I don't see that as right. It's not proper. Say BBC, whatever. Come to one police station. That's a media. My colleague, Isabella Gidiglo, I can also get information. I'm a feedy for the news. Yeah, the Jumana. On to me,
district commander to me.
What kind of behavior is this?
Okay, and Chiremua, the buy say it got to a time where now disparities in information here too much. Say a to the beer Ubejama district police commander be say on Kasawasimi. Now it's not by national level. It's not say commander and I say PR no kuso kasa asem at the district level ntino. One hwe be bisa no question be a penny no one cry no ente. No ati anu ye na police commander and the man.
So when they are feeding all over the country information about who have the facts more on
it is no so by say so ne opesa oka no twere fabra.
I yes in the heat of the moment.
And they approve it.
Now they should dissolve all the PR services and I worry is in.
What is this?
Oh, okay.
God there's no need.
Commander.
Okay.
At the spell of the moment, as I'm about.
It's
not right.
Okay.
It's not right. They are touching me so. When you say we district and now we station, Yamau vehicle. So say police they have one centralized mechanical workshop.
Yeah.
You need to be a region, you need to be a district. And they say I will Golua, I will Upper West, I was on the bank cry.
Oh, the percent the original I know who.
No. Now, what the passes were? Yes, your card mawa, you won't get it back. I know what I'm talking about.
Hey,
about will be before from. Makaway, I was a before. Almost show me. IGP, Miss Row, Sadiano, and your papa.
And I can't say why dear.
What I say, and your papa, I know what I'm talking about. And you say, yeah, maybe a free buyer, your man is uncle, no fan control Jumaso. The only need you to be never man.
Yeah.
But make of 4 BD, what says, now they're more before.
And you can't say why dear. So the balance can be.
So decentralize it. So because it's a security vehicle,
yeah.
Workshop and work on detail CRD people should be there to monitor it. You see, I know what Tamoka they are coming down.
IGP, you no pay a dosu ama.
This are communication there.
Say what? Say communication also such a chemu pay.
I mean, because if you are still having regional PRs in every region.
No,
that's our custom. BBM national. I mean, those people know.
They say, I mean, Julie, of headquarters. Brilliant young journalists, professionally. Now was Monk as a view.
There's offer of chat until we did 2 months and already. Oh, I think that now we fear thing a crowd no ye be. Now, oh, yeah, tremor approve you, no recording, no sending.
No.
And the spell of the moment,
I think the sound was different. I think the time and that's idea can anymore.
Okay.
Anyway,
I think I was a carriage and that's anymore. But not a person to be communicated to all the media house in internet and not recording, not sending them.
But I say, IGP, you might not also pay. Can a year from but by the way, I'm say, best see I'm not your phone, ever to us. As I come here for your barber share and comedian, as assembly catcher starting about video from Newsfire, lawyer Martin Pebu as Modi at Tujano, which will say, Saya Mampenina Kunya, SC Sayano say, on akwanyampo beto nchia say the fight against galamsey onye weko amnesty pibio no lawyer Martin Pebu say eye horo de brother sem sana twimi be kan say enkosi aga we fallacy bi ena mampani ere eye ekon no ba bi yakon odu no eye ana se yenka se agye yensem tie ye ho hwe a enye onabo
mama fa wo nsam fam bio ye kan police fo asemi me wie firi bibi kakra menya kuma dampare IGP sropa ye di adwuma hye wo nsam ye nyina ye nigye adwuma wo ye soso ye ne so ba sam mrante nkwalan kitinkiti ya wafa omo ye arrest e wo kwano so no you need to speak to them. They are so rude. And let me repeat, so rude.
Very rude.
Because we did to me, I'm a wanty. Right Honorable Speaker, my very good friend, Doa Jaho, it is saying Omuchenika. And the way they handled the former speaker was not right. Mianga Muchibika. Few months ago, let me free program our voter region. Your friend me say, "Me back kwatela na ne hu ye e was school." And I me say, "Yeah, can you know what some of these boys?" I shut a police barrier.
Constable sana.
Yeah. Akwa bi okitadi bi not the name bi. Me sure they need to be me ready fi. So rude. Not that party original. He was at the Tulako police station. We bought the glass. So, oh, brah, oh, fene. Also, Juma. Eventually, my driver was taken to court. He was fined in Kasa. But me can't wait because son in Kuala no Numu Guabontino or Shaya, almost send Juma. Which will be at the way you even communicate.
Of course.
Then depend Casano. Depend on jet to me say, oh, my name is. But because of the two we are showing, they are so rude. I give on danger. One day he also go like others. Into musho muyi. Amekwa mojuba. Na ye kan galamsey any Martin Pebu. Le Martin Pebu. Enyo no kan say or accuse the president say wa surrounding with criminal at our presidency.
Yeah, we're much. Yeah. Open draw.
Oh, open draw.
Yeah.
Mankayo. Or can say the president has surrounded himself with criminals, with corrupt activities at the presidency. Lawyer Nina Kasasa. And then we say then their fight our president, Eye Galamsey is a charade. And no gin too. Ebusiafo, true. When you look at the days of drugs, every Spanish America, the American economy no more. It was a big fight for the American government. Venezuela, Nicaragua, Mexico, are the drugs. And these drug barons arm themselves. They fight state security to export the drugs into American states. America by made conscious effort. Me can say government abako. But do baby no do president be so on say be there. So fighting drugs, for me, I see it as fighting that of Galamsey.
Oh, okay.
Because Abaya Bako, he is a member of the NDC. And can pay me politics.
Lawyer Martin Pebu.
He is an NDC man.
On the party card, actually.
Please. On
the party card, actually.
Please.
Do you seem to sympathize with NDC?
Yes.
He sympathizes.
I say he's an NDC man.
A card-bearing member.
He's an NDC man.
A card-bearing member.
He's an NDC man.
On the party card, way.
Commander.
On the party card, way.
Chubuase. Chum. Commander, Nyabutre.
Okay.
And then, say Galamsey, me, I don't support Galamsey. And Chum knows, the two of us. I'm a soldier against galamsey.
Yeah.
I don't care any member of my party who is doing galamsey. Now would say quiet, would say so, I'm uncomfortable someone I will not support your cause. Maka, Israel. And I will not support anybody who wear galamsey who they go Akufo-Addo. I will not support that. So we are galamsey. Wako river bedroom tu anya ya galamsey e di say so no. Amagana water are struggling to process water for us. We dey wo ska.
Yeah.
Wako to mineral water e di sachet water e dey akọ fie e na we no man e no busafo amano. But those who live in the banks of these communities where these rivers are passing, why we colleague Erastus Asaridonko.
Sure.
Last week Tuesday na me ni tru. Ye wasempa. In so maku so this you ebi I to say fruit juice, apple juice, orange juice, pineapple with ginger, mango with fruit telly. Baby, why are we not sympathetic to our people greed for sikape and impunity? Adai. Inti mi pese misre mi lawyer bebu say yes, the fight of galamsey that didn't start. Ewa President Akufo-Addo preso. Kasano so the amshishe and odi kasano.
Yeah.
So to some extent, I don't blame him too much. But the language that he using said the fighter president was say me presidency better I'm a fighting galamsey. It is not easy. We lost certain seats in galamsey areas. He's part of the Insemina president. No, can. And he said me onwa obe president no. I'm a year kudetia because if you are not who any be galamsey area.
What has been the result? President
What
have been the results?
The result we lost some seats in galamsey areas. He's a government leading a political party. And we lost because of sir, we lost some seats. Because why should the echoes of parliament in Tokon? If we have won those seats, will all these fights come? There be. But the year Canada said, Galamsey fight now. Me match say Galamsey saying fight and fight no. And you no papa fight.
Okay.
It is not a fight for Akufo-Addo. It is not a fight for one person. We need everybody on board. And let's take the politics out. Let's get the politics out and look at this as a national security matter.
The money is difficult, honorable.
It is
Emrane warning how to deal with it.
Emrane woman difficult.
Law enforcers.
Yeah, young Crawford no more. Yeah, young Crawford no more. Duman,
young Crawford.
Me before. Now got him so say
was he another one and I don't go was one no growth.
Yeah, me before no woman. Omuma ekunu eyedin.
MP before na galamsey na ma fight na difficult.
Of course. It's a fact. It's a fact. There's a man called Swanu and Koyadi, now would be a call. Soldier for Enam, a quiet num, Enam so, Kunditia, says we have one bad Pamunia, if you know, district security councils are MCs dano, Dianamoye. Regional state councils, Munamusha security, ever for more, Musudinamoye. So every time soldiers have to move from Accra and go into these areas, see a Kokodiatia, MY. And so, and then the president catch up and say, we are MMDC. Na galamsey e cost wo ho na won hwe de wo ya onu wasam
honorable you see galam stop Operation Vanguard a police for akom a him for akom still na ekoso die biem na aka ebetimi aye all the fight against galam
commander what you repuda
anu Cape Coast dey anu na
na la beach priest Labaka chiro we call la aboma hono a weekends holidays you know
okay
yeta o ye ko dware wo ho se epo afawda Obaka say o wi pomu na mana there be the fact say there no cost no means that we should raise our hands in despair say kun ema embro yeso enu na medi drugs ewo Spanish America Mexico Venezuela Nicaragua. Yeah. Drugs fight, into the American export into the American economy was a very tough fight. But it took a president of America to put his feet and say, "Me transemadi and be semi-man for."
With dedicated officials who understood the fight.
So you can have some security officers, you can have some politicians, you can have some individuals. Quickly, you need to strategize and reprogram and plan and make sure you get those people out and determine. And for me, I know President Akufo-Addo will succeed in the fight against Galamsey because they know Bakufo. And no Bakufo. And me, I will not support any party member who will go and do Galamsey and be destroying our vegetation and destroy our water bodies. I will not support it. I will not.
Okay. Lawyer,
Was he?
Adjei and Savannah.
And there's a one to Anya be our chroma. So na me chroma na ekro.
Yeah.
Udru ase ya hu de bremo ne ayo. Nti no ba kire osase kono dru ba bia nsanka bremo nsanka ni ne ka ete na se bia nkate. Because Queen enye abugina po na be frase.
Sure.
I think and the group at this time is I think I'm one and I'm and no bobo bia ye de betun aye biara. Ade be pom. But you see and penifo say aboa bi beka wa wo mfiri ba bia na beka ya no firi wa wonto mo afira wo mu.
Sure.
Akwasi. Ade ba ko amatrans ye hu ni say you see nana group at some kan so ode na konwa anasa na ba nyote so atoso. So the back say Galamsey somewhere custom. The mama Brina na say ma share the view of me am senior and my very good friend Martin Pegu say. Na na do asem kan say the wow season. Anyasem bia ye bitwa fa de asem na enko se hwe no. And say akwasi. Sabi mpanin say ye bodam fifi. Asa na ya tiasi abonten. Say the mini apani aka wai. There I mean most of the districts are party functionaries. MPP functionaries, executives, to Galamsey. Then I know. And what I never quite very common in the Galamsey areas. And they say, most of them one more number of cars. I saw the MPP flag same.
Ah,
Missy,
or move to Galamsey.
I am telling you.
NPP flag.
Yes, I say one cup. I say one cup. Go to Eastern region. Go to Eastern region.
Can it also be possible, say, a Akufo person say about into MPP the incident be a bar?
The best thing about, I mean, sir, what we saw no one. You want me the other as a one step ahead.
Okay.
Okay. Who as a one step ahead. I was it. Fana to me no nyina te ya. Ana ya wa munua anasa remi ya anas. Ekwe ne Galamsey ho investigations. Ah, what the babontin. Ye tiran ko yi. Sabra ni form a ministerial committee or even tax force, right?
Yeah, interministerial committee.
Exactly. And now, yeah, so when we directed the affairs of this Galamsey operations, as you have one policy for Koko. Sabra and I said Galam stop any operation. What no one no unfortunately, we had a senior person as secretary to the committee,
Yeah, no, a secretary
to the committee.
Yeah.
Who got himself involved in a criminal act.
Something has denied.
Said the thing.
Say, and you know, Chris says, and Anas, at the report, no, a buy.
Police
for also a baby is on routine, the police for report and buy.
But Canada, Quabi, no one was being the 2 nations who was actually. Yet, Yana, video, who was a Zikawaja, with Scar Walkins, I was one is going to do anything. Says cannot deny that, and somebody near Bono.
But can't
see, can near Bono and someone. I mean,
but can't him say, and never say no, it go just beyond. Idea young keke.
And I'm saying, cannot be not ye born in Sawa.
And I'm also not for Namakasem say action be no. The judgment comes as a result of the menstrual. Yeah, a year behind the
two
action.
things are involved in the act.
Okay.
The act itself and the intention behind the act. And not the menstrual.
Yeah. Yeah.
So my question me was say the act is that now we just can what year. There's an offense called a strict liability offense. And no, it's just the act that we are interested in. The intention is not relevant. Charles Bisi, what you see, no, Gia, nothing what you say you're born in someone. And I never birthday gift. Immediately, no, General.
Are you saying, say, police for report? No,
me and you police report. I don't even want to believe in the police report.
Oh, how?
What do this guy?
What do I dream? No, what do I dream? Book and I'm just the fact that I said it will be able to say, what am I?
So, okay, one would not scan it. Answer me now.
It is the
ordinary says can I demand.
It would you police report nini?
Was he? Me see ordinary says can I demand.
Police report yes won't you?
You've not answered my question.
There be only police report nini.
Answer my question before you ask me a question. Sikana Adjei na your birthday gift.
And I'm saying
answer na your bonus.
Won't you police report nini?
Well, once you cannot answer me, then I also no respond to you. Because so when me said you need this candia.
Okay.
I don't care about police report. Okay?
Okay.
So what me tell me say Sikana oh that be any brother not the mommy. They become a swano and they be a cancer and not the brother. Now what I see that was swano and padia, then we can believe the police report. Now all the brother police boy now. All this kind of police boy now. Now we are going to how could you have been able to report about our report natural says Karawani. And I report this kind of Nimu, Nanya Brab near Brabano, which I mean,
for that one, dear, we say, would a bribe a bem, obey me taking action against a BL because, as we said, the rare evidence or just say, or J bribe no. Will be a matter of contention in court.
No, my point.
But the measure say, a platform.
We saw him. No.
And so any anything.
Fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Frame. Said
I will be happy to do that. I'm going to help you to do that. Don't worry. Me, I'm a bomb.
Okay.
Why any bribe? Says Karodi and what for what? Scanning who was an ordinary.
Okay.
If it's not bribe, yati, and you bribe. Yeah.
That's a good question you can ask.
And somebody near one.
Chance be so also to respond.
What was that? Says Karodi not ordained for what? Okay? Now we are asking those questions. On my answer. Reasonable ones for that matter. Reasonable answers for that matter. If it wasn't bribe, fair enough, yati, I said it wasn't bribe. No.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
But if it wasn't bribe, what was it? What ordained? And I don't know Tonga will be better to and tenant Pakujanica. What has it? What do you not change? We saw videos on social media, especially on Facebook, from a gentleman who says he's a driver to John Bodu.
Yeah.
We saw that one. You the bar from between the then Environment and Science Minister and a Kwausi. Yehuano. Yetiano so. What has it? So if you have all these people within your umbrella, Ubesida fighting galam se menayi. One more was suma one penny to go to we know it. And appointment win here. So no way in the second or mobile appointment. That's what you mean in 19 or my appointments. What I say? But my point is said, you know how what did you mean? Be a show says among A, B, C, D, M. I was say, so one would mean confirm why ma. Number one, their road become compromise. One back one now will do my dear number and the question of that. Not as soon as one say. A best I achieve the aim that we are looking for. We can't. And that is why my people tell you, someone can 8 million yagma. If it's no one to me, quite man. One more bus and then quarter for. Open the quarter for.
It's a Benedict.
What I say? So then he can't fight it. But so it's a near person fighting the Casablanca can never be a watch on beyond. What deal with them? I'm will be a would my scapegoat an example for others to see and follow. What you chroma ya? Anna, me am near by lady never simple. Dear Okodi Kumobi or Nikamwa, a better Uganda President Hamatami. Vikiama,
yeah.
It was just
so up 100,000.
No one knew BD when the came. The downfall. And yes, one needing. When I record, we don't know. But you as I record the other tabon, say what dinkum A, B, C, D. Immediately. A buying or to penny or done one, so David. I said, I can't do it. No, and that papa. And Tempara or Chanasecuna. And now see a penny. And now when young brother to buy be ever prefer I won't buy him. But here we are. This gentleman is still hovering around the presidency. Having seen all this about him. Now, so impression a creative one. We are there creative impression after that.
And you know, chinchina mampenenchina so.
Maybe I want to could do. As I say, my work as a any person has a general. They don't know any more. Who are sending in the video.
Because people will be not creative BB. Obi not created that story. Okay.
So anas boasa na won nyis ka bi afini nsam dia. I didn't know you. I didn't know you. Or trend. How many years ni? Quasi? How many years? That's every day about in Vizeni. So Mr. It's more than 3 years, right?
Yeah.
or about 3 years. Evansa. I don't still now want to take a step be against an answer. And I say, the company no two son more by investigation on video. No, I didn't win see one by now. Now what? Are you not indirectly telling us that the who you are because you know take action. And you know because I what's you and what's you and us and say be the company nearby what's you. But up to now, wouldn't be a say what's you and answer baby out. And answer the company no baby out.
Okay.
Okay, it is a man. He needs to tackle it from within. The part of one more to sign one, and as a woman are getting themselves involved in this action. He needs to tackle them first. And son, what you tell one I was. And this idea, what's your one thing? One of your phone as you with this about Econabia. Won't come down if you're not say. Won't come if you're not say.
But as a lawyer, Chum Barema, a member of the NDC National Communications team, will say if the young police officers are following the law and doing their work, we must allow them to do their work as there should not be discrimination against the law and the law has no respect for each other. Alex Tufo from Hamburg, Germany, and Ode Ebai. Those that believe in Akufo-Addo and Bawumia government isn't different from the followers of Nana Agrada. The cedi to dollar rate has humbled Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. Eja Beta from Adenta and Ode Efribai. Galamsey fight. We will never win because the destroyers are among us, wearing trainers and pretending to fight with us. The evil enemies are within us. Kwaku say eso dia ono so Ede Ebai eno. Ba lawyer na otwimu Papa Charles Bisiu issue disclaimer about some of the ensemble aba Ede afane ho. Enye one anas de nyina ama usa anas so I responded.
Only anas de who disclaimer no issue yana.
Yes.
Okay.
Wama 19 points to show say ne ede eto no so nyina no na enye nokore.
Akwasi. The day asemba yi. And this week, as an Bisiu, age statement.
Me ready Areaka. Ray Galamsey fraud expose, refuting claims of Charles Bisiu. And here,
why didn't okay? And as
yeah, Charles Bisiu did Babekan. Response to Anas Dodban. Why I will not usually respond to propaganda. It will be a disservice to the discerning Ghanaian if I allow Tiger IPI to get away with this baseless press release. First, I issue a statement underpinned by fact against the claims made by the opposition NDC about the government effort in the Galamsey fight, albeit not referencing to Tiger IPI and typical of the nature of his corrupted journalism. They frivolously jumped in with their usual baseless propaganda to serve their paymasters, although this advice will fall on defense ears because that is their path they've chosen to travel with. Now, respectively, let me lay down the fact, and I believe Tiger IPI can learn from it. 1. Vetting of licenses began on 3rd September 2018. The Ministry of Information on 30th August 2018 published the commencement date and requirement for the vetting process document and required were to be submitted via post or in postage to the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining before 7 September 2018. Resources through its ghostly representative presented its document at a later date. ORR Resources license at the time of submission was expiring in 2 months. Upon receiving the document, it was tendered for evaluation. I then recommended the company files an application for all other permits required, which includes environmental permit. As part of approval processes, each concession was required to be mapped. The exercise was done per a schedule. The concession in question, as indicated in ORR Resources application, was in the Ashanti region. The mapping team were then in the central region en route to western Ashanti and eastern regions. All applications were required to pay an amount of 3,000 Ghana cedis, to which I directed the ghostly representative to pay and take a receipt issued to cover such payment. The risk of delay in getting their application approved before the mapping team leaves the Ashanti regions was high. The exercise
did not provide for a mop-up, and as such, it was prudent and fair to grant the companies opportunity to have the concession mapped while the application was in process. Nti eja ene so ewo mehwe analysis response na or they buy no to Charles Bisu dia also every this year over the weekend any and someone almost so eka enso nti say na lawyer wakasa mu watwa sign with regard to corruption no I think say they be taking
no I mean well many problem but you see me point in the say Charles Bisu cannot do this to collect himself. What trust you all this war for this video to have gone viral upon viral, and now I said whenever I want to so you should disclaimer. Are you serious? I said I'm not pay you. So they can see me strong.
2018.
2018. Thank you. Yeah. Or 2022. How many years? 4 years now. 3-4 years now. I find whenever I want to issue disclaimer.
But
I go see. I'm the chuma kasa on Charles Bisu response. Na sabio ye de ade ye na nya oda na won kasa won nkire se openisa. Yeah. He's a lawyer. The fact say Charles en kasa ho nkire se de ekosoro na nije o. Ye nyina ye kai se mamitiwa investigations. He's a lawyer. He was an ex-police officer. Me can't very much motiminje. Ama Juma mamiti wa ye no. I exonerate Charles Bisu. See the course de nyina no, omo hwehwe mo nyina no. Ne kura bi enim. Even though we say in the video no or jiskade. But the way chire no I tato na it is kind of man no. Omo yo mo hwehwe mo no kire say there is something behind it. Let me tell you a story. True. When I was a deputy minister, I saw a nurse in a different form in my office.
As in, he came to your office?
And you know, Bobby Betra menim alpe se me mbon wo dwumade bi.
Okay.
Eventually the envelope.
But you sense that it was that kind of
Jesus Christ. Mo shimi ade ne kam ba. Hey, what hey.
Akwe watch now.
When I mean makwa no ba bia. O se wa ye dwuma na mo aketua no construction akem. Okay. Enti me hwe ko na me pushima no. Na me so za the company event is saying and I'm try. Yeah. Enti event is saying also my resist certificate na the den nyina to finance. Oba yo fa hwamba on kita hwe. Odu na no fafa ya e no de kasa. Enti oboamina minje envelope wo say wo ye adwuma ye ntwa wo ko nya sika de free e na wo di bremi
alone
meti hodi na me hwa kwani di mi so wura ole no go na me mpese be bodyguard danso me chino I saw an ass in that form. These are some of the things that they do and they trap people. And if you are not strong enough, you can be caught in a web. They do this thing to attract you. They can't wait their kosi asem so. What you say? Enti Charles Bisu, police work no. What is identity why you din and on kasa? That is him. Knowing Charles Bisu or no pekasa. He's a very reserved type, very nice gentleman. But the year no, we should the undercurrent na chu. But I'm saying this. Say, me, that is Global City, I'm not against Galamsey.
You are against Galamsey.
I'm not against, I'm against Galamsey.
Exactly.
I'm not against mining.
Yeah.
I'm not against mining, but I'm against Galamsey.
Okay. Exactly.
The president is not against mining. His support for mining is solid. But Obi Biara, we hear Galamsey. Galamsey no, is an illegal mining. Sure. I will quiet. I will so. I hear Jotum say we are
red zones.
Red zones. We're not going to tolerate that. If you're a member of my party and you are doing some of these things, it speaks bad against our party and our government. And
the reason say aside government level, no party na so say it takes sanctions against party officials. We bet you say they are part of this act.
I think the national leadership must be able to put their feet down because their economy yeti me for no omutie no muhwa ekutia ye because we call Galamsey areas amansie
Adanse areas, Achim area. Now look at what happened in Chebi. Last week. Small downpour. A jig Chebi Krum.
High Court in Naflade.
Zone justice. And the Ayekano, Yen Jaka. Galamsey fight is like the drug threat in American Omanum. Said your Mujina Yakutia. Even though there's pockets of street drugs that is going on.
Oh, yeah. I mean, even that's ongoing. Yeah.
And the Galamsey fight in here, yenyi politics is free.
Okay.
So long as we want survival for this country and our generation to come, let's devote ourselves of politics and let's deal with the menace and the canker called Galamsey. Because me took Kwaina me from Kahana me kowa, me pensu anuma, and no be an Mako Jano.
Sure.
Now, when we sika we hear Galamsey, we be mineral water, and this sachet water, and the goofy, and we boost of one. What are the poor ordinary people in those environs? And why?
That's what I say. That's the FNC.
Hey, who do you fancy that? Now, what dollar could do 11.2? What is it?
The time I saw me that's.
Now, we have a chance. I was over 6 minutes. More than what they made 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Okay, they were another 1 minute. Now, dollar could do 11.2. And how on?
Sir, yeah, hi.
I'm not forcing one day.
Any honey behind
$1. Uko America turns open. And so. Aneto and na ebedu ukromu a 11 citizens energy that about me enjoy ukromu ade
nyambe hwe nyina
nyam enjoy fe question yakopon say ni ma weni ane ye ma yakopon bre no weni ye ma yakopon bre no yatia ama obi a shaw bo se $1 sie ma na dollar break je wo de ko ma yakopon se yakopon be
external factors abuda
external factors
Lawyer Chumberry, a member of the NDC National Communications team.
Over the weekend, we share video. France, they are so lie.
Yeah,
Ecoto gas, petrol. Please. Oh, gas the petrol is not making. We are not for let's silent to petrol.
Sure.
You see, when the demand for every product is so high and the supply is less, that is the price.
Where you need demand.
This simple O-level
title global former
simple O-level economics.
Former deputy minister for transport. Pacho mo mics nina ewo off. Happy birthday to Araba Nancy, PRO of Gihok Ghana Limited. Mame Chra Diamond ho and Eba Sansuna happy birthday to Abigail Osu and San Nurse Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Nyakupo enshira wonsu baby bia Osu wo bia. So once again, happy birthday to Chopper from Abba Mary. Who sister ho? Also my happy birthday baby obi. I did the questions. Nyame had much na. You be said yes. Na say kase come production team, sound, MC, our camera. Munyina moya de. Ama jumedi e wie pay yo. Praise the Lord.